Welcome. In this video tutorial, we will guide you on how to send multiple photos on WhatsApp with the latest updates. Let's explore the steps to easily share multiple photos through WhatsApp. Step 1. Begin by opening WhatsApp on your Android device and navigate to the chat where you wish to send the photos. Locate the specific chat conversation you want to share the photos with. Step 2. Within the chat window, look for the Paperclip icon, attachment, positioned next to the message input field. Tap on this icon to access additional options. Step 3. From the menu that appears, select Gallery to access your device's photo gallery. Step 4. Browse through your photo gallery and select the photos you want to send. To select multiple photos, simply tap and hold on a photo to enable the multi-select feature. Step 5. Once you have chosen all the photos you want to send, tap on the check icon to confirm your selection. Step 6. After confirming your selection, tap the Send button represented by the green circle with a white paper plane icon. This action will attach the selected photos to your message and send them to the recipient. By following these straightforward steps, you can efficiently share multiple photos via WhatsApp with your friends, family, or contacts. Thank you for watching this tutorial on sending multiple photos on WhatsApp. We hope this guide has been helpful in demonstrating how to easily share photos through WhatsApp. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content on WhatsApp tips and tricks. Stay tuned for more updates and tutorials.